Good morning, class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Take out your English text copy, make separate portion for grammar. First of all, write letter question. Write a letter to your friend requesting him her to spend holidays with you. You are writing this letter to your friend, and in letter writing, for example, especially when you are writing your friend or relatives, you show how much you care for them, how much you love them. In this letter, you also request your friend to spend holidays with you. First of all, write examination hall, Karachi. Karachi K is capital. Date today is 1st September 2020. After this, my dear friend, I am well and hope the same for you, my parents, and I would like you to come over here and spend the holidays with us. We shall have a lot of fun in visiting every place that is worth seeing in Karachi. You have your camera with you to take my many snaps. Please let me know the date and the time your arrival. I shall meet you at the railway station. Yours sincerely. You can write your name with best wishes. Thank you. After this application question is write an application to the headmaster or headmistress of your school to grant you concession in fee, or you can write freeship or scholarship. After this, start writing the application to the headmistress. You are not writing ABC school, you are writing your school name, Zahir Public School, Karachi. Respected madam, most respectfully I beg to say that my father is a guard. He gets only rupees 8,000 per month. You know quite well that things are getting very dear nowadays. My father says that now it is very difficult for him to pay my school fee. I therefore request you to kindly grant me concession in freeship or scholarship. All my teachers are pleased with my work, and they will certainly like that I get concession in fee, freeship or scholarship. I shall always remain thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently. You can write your name here and date. Today date is 1st September 2020. Thank you. Number 23. Verb are action words. First, Nikki waters the plants. Now, waters is the action. Then she eats an apple. Eats an action. She also washes her bike. Washes her action. She writes a letter to her grandmother. Writes is action. Later she goes to take a bath. Goes is action. Finally she reads a book. Reads is action. First Nikki watered the plants, then she eats an apple, then also washes her bike. She writes a letter to her grandmother. Later she goes to take a bath. Finally she reads a book. These all are action words. Verb water, eats, washes, writes, goes, reads. These all are action words. Verbs are words that state actions which shows that someone or something does. Words are important because they make a sentence complete. Action verbs, doing verbs, verb to do. Mostly we use to with the beginning of the verb. For example, to take, to fold, to fill, to clean. Ricky offered to take the dog for a walk. To take is an action. He offers to fold the clothes. To fold is action. He also offers to fill the bottle with water. To fill is action. Best of all, he offers to clean the table after dinner. To clean is action.
Ada orang lagi. Mana malu?
Class 4, after watching this video, on page number 33, topic is verb. Exercise A, match the noun with the given verbs below. You have to match the noun with verb. For example, cats and mew. Mew is a sound and sound is a verb. Action, cat is doing action, so you have to match the noun with the verb. After this exercise B, write verbs that begin with these letters. First two letters are given you and you have to write verb, action word. For example, CA is written, so you have to write catch. PL is written, so you have to write play. Like this. After this exercise C, on the same page, fill in the blanks with present tense form of verb. You have to write action verb in these blanks. The boy dash the boy dash with the ball. Now you can write the boy plays with the ball or the boy catches the ball. Anything you write, but the word should be action word. After this, turn the page number 34. Fill in the blanks with verbs which mean the opposite of the underlined verbs. I can't find my pen. I think I have dashed it. I have lost it. So you have to write the opposite, but the opposite should be the action word. For example, sits opposite is stands. So you have to write the opposite of the given words. After this exercise E, fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the box. So simple. You have to just put the correct verb in the blank. The verbs are given in the box. For example, the baby is dashed, the baby is crying. Crying is given in box. You can write the baby is playing, the baby is laughing. Anything you can write, but the verb should be from the box. Thank you. Page number 33 and page number 34, chapter verb completed in your book.